Folks are always curious, do I need to go get an MBA? Do I need to degree up? You got your MBA. Would you do it again?
Oh, I was going to say, before you said would I do it again, I had a good answer for you, and that was, I wasn't going to use the word worthless, but I was going to say it's really important that you understand what are you using it for. And I think the biggest misconception on the entire planet is that we're so hungry in the pursuit of knowledge and we're not hungry at all in the application of knowledge. So many people are after this education thinking, hey, if I get an MBA, it's going to solve all my problems.
Right.
My life is going to be great.
Yeah.
I'm on a 6-figure salary, crushing the world. Everything's going to be great. What company in the world, you can write your own ticket. And you enter this thing and it's like a washing machine. It chews you up and spits you in a different direction. And you've got to be ready for that. And I wasn't ready for that. And it was interesting for me because it was only through this whole process of the Think and Grow Rich project that I had a far greater understanding of the importance of applying that knowledge. So I feel like as a society and educational systems in particular, we need to put much more value on what you do with what you know.
Agreed.
Because what you know is completely meaningless.
Yeah.
Don't go and do an MBA and have it up on your wall. My wife actually said to me recently, can we put all our diplomas and degrees and things up on the wall? And I said, no, they don't mean anything to me.
Right.
What means things to me are the people that I'm able to help along the way. If there are photos of that, great, but I want to be surrounded by inspiration and motivation, not an expensive course that didn't really help me out as much as life experience. And above all, I think the best education that you can get is starting your own business. I feel like no business course in the world can rival that.
I'm just thinking of all the fires that I've had to experience, and I agree. It's like, you can't learn this out of a textbook. It's absolute problem solving.